Hello everyone. If you are looking to design an app quickly, WebSim AI can help you streamline the process. In this video, I will show you how to use WebSim AI to create an application in just a few simple steps. So now let's get started. First, you will need to head over to WebSim AI's official website and create an account. So once you are signed up, log in to access the AI tools that will help you design your application. Next, choose a pre-built template that closely matches the type of application you are designing. WebSim AI offers various templates for different app types like e-commerce, social media, or productivity apps. Once you have selected the template, you can start customizing the design. WebSim AI's intuitive interface allows you to easily modify elements like buttons, colors, and layouts to fit your brand's needs. After you are satisfied with the design, let WebSim AI generate the application for you. In just a few minutes, you will have a fully functional prototype ready to test. And that is how you can quickly design an application using WebSim AI. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.